Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, I am going to explain you about the concussion injury in sports. Concussion is a trauma-induced alteration in mental status that may or may not involve loss of consciousness. This picture shows an example of concussion injury among the athletes. The concussion injury may associate with pathologies like subdural hematoma or post-concussion syndrome. The concussion injury may require the acute evaluation of concussion. Athlete may say that he is okay and he can resume his play, but we should exclude athlete from participation. We should assess consciousness. We should assess airway integrity, breathing, and circulation. The palpation should be done also for the cranial and facial tenderness. Concussion grading can be given as 1, 2, and 3. If the concussion symptom and mental status abnormalities resolve in less than 15 minutes, it can be graded as 1, and the abnormalities last more than 15 minutes can be designated as grade 2. If there is any loss of consciousness, the grade should be 3. The pitch-side evaluation of suspected concussion can be mental status testing, which comprise orientation, concentration, and memory. Orientation can be tested by reporting the time, place, and person and situation according to the circumstances of injury. However, the concentration can be tested by asking the patient to count presented digits backward. They can be given an example. Memory can be tested by asking the names of the months of the year in reverse order. Name or we can ask the athlete to name the teams in prior match, to recall three words, three objects at 0 and 5 minutes, to recall recent newsworthy events, to recall details of the match. External provocative test and neurological test can also be given. The external provocative test can be given when there is any appearance of associated symptoms like headache, dizziness, nausea, unsteadiness, photophobia, blurred vision or double vision, emotional liability, or mental status changes. After this, if these associated symptoms are present, we can ask athlete to complete 35-meter sprint, to complete 5 push-ups, 5 sit-ups, and 5 knee bends. For the neurological test, there are pupils, coordination, and sensation test. People can be assessed by observing symmetry and reaction by putting the torch. Coordination Coordination can be assessed by touch finger to nose, touch right finger to left finger by observing tandem gait. Tandem gait is to touch the heel with toe in standing position. Sensation. Sensation can be assessed by touching the finger to nose with eyes closed, and balance should also be assessed for the sensation with the Romberg test. This was all the lecture. Today's code is just play, have fun, enjoy the game by Michael Jordan. Thank you.